everybody, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I was gonna say it's been a minute, but it hasn't even been a minute. It's been a while since I've been back on here. I'm still trying to figure out if like YouTube is for me, if this thing is for me. Like I want to make YouTube for me. I've just gotten distracted and busy and basically in a rut of uncreativity that I was just like, this had been my bed, my domain, my couch for a while, all January, December, I guess, was school, and then this, and yeah, whatever. Okay, so you don't care about that part. I do plan on making more videos, and so I wanted to come back with video on how I do my hair, because I've always getting requested, how do you do your hair? How do you get it to look like that? What do you use? It's super simple, you guys. It's super simple. So there's nothing to it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and we're gonna move on to the next video to how we're gonna get started. And yeah, that's it. Just keep watching if you wanna know how I get my hair to look like this, like this, like this. This is how I usually do my hair always. This is pretty much it, throw in some earrings and boom, done, out the door. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, what I'm using to curl my hair, this is it. This is just a single barrel 1-inch curling iron. Let me say that it was a curling iron from Conair. Whenever you're like $12, $15 curling irons, I don't know how much they run. It had a clamp on it with a little, yeah, it had the whole clamp. I just unscrewed it off and used it. I've had this for like 10 years now. I used it as a curling iron before. Then curls went out of style and it became all about like waves, and so I just didn't want to buy a waver, and I liked the way that this did it, so I just removed the clamp and boom, turned it into a wand, and that's what I use it as now. I have bought wands before, but I just don't like that the way they come out. Like they usually like are thick and then they thin down to like they're like cone shaped, and I just don't like it doesn't really give me waves. It gives me like weird tight curls. I feel like the curls are tighter on that than what I actually get from this tool. So this is it. I usually just put it all the way. You can't even see the numbers anymore. They've already like faded. Everything has faded. The Conair, everything's faded. It's 10 years old. But this is what I use. It's just 1-inch curling iron. Okay, just remove the clamp. Boom, done. All right, so that's that. It's already hot, so that's why I don't want to touch it. But it's ready. Basically, it's ready for me to use. Now, how I part my hair is really just either I'll do it like this, but most of the time and then my hair is pretty short. I'll just eyeball it and put that in a ponytail or chongo, as I call them, or you know, Mexicans, Spanish way, whatever. Okay, and then I'll part that, and then I'll also just get the bottom half, another ponytail, and put that. So you look crazy, and let's flip that up, and then I'll go ahead and start curling. But so let's go ahead and show you. All right, so curling iron, wrap it around. I'll hold the ends because there's no more clamp, just like a wand. And usually I'll even like run it up and down and leave it 10 seconds most, but really I don't. And then I get that. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna lower it just so I can show you how I do it towards the front, like what I usually do with the front sections. Here, wrap it, hold on to it. I'll even like just move it around. Why I started doing this, I don't know. 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we go. And sometimes I'll even tug on it if I want to, just to loosen that curl. And that's it. So just do it to all of it. So that nothing complicated. Let me fast forward and do it all so you can see what it looks like.
No need to raise the bar when you're feeling low. Oh, you gotta breathe, breathe. Breathe, breathe, let it go and let it be. Be, be, be. Yeah, I like one big test, with barely much time to rest. It goes right when you go left. It's more than you can digest, but nobody's gonna die if you say you need some time to step back and clear your mind. Yeah, everyone will be fine. All you need to know is all you gotta breathe. Let it go and let it be. I hope that you're listening. There's only one thing you know you gotta do. That's breathe.
Okay, so now that I'm done, I'll just kind of just like play with it, tug on a few pieces, and then that's it. Okay, so this is the end result. This is what ends up looking like whenever I'm done. Looking at the recording of how long it took me about 10 minutes to do it. If I'm needing to do it super fast, I can actually get it down to like 7 minutes. I was watching YouTube while on the TV while I was doing my hair, so that did slow me down a little bit, but usually 10 minutes is like about right. Sometimes even less. This is it. I just like mess with it, tug on it, just fluff it a bit. Usually I'll tuck it behind this ear, let this one loose, and this is kind of what you get. So, yeah, this is it. I don't put any product in my hair after that. Like, this is it. That's it. It's the only tool I use in all of it, and 2 rubber bands. But that's it. No product goes in before or after. It's just clean washed hair. Or like I'll take a shower the night before. It just dries the way it dries in the morning, and yeah, I'll just run it through. I think maybe I did end up combing it before I did it, but that's it. So no product, no nothing. Basically anything you have at home, and a 1-inch barrel curling iron. You remove the wand off. It's a Conair, your cheapest $12 curling iron. That's it, and that's what I get. So super fast, super easy. I don't know how it's just, I wanted a wand, made myself a wand. This is what comes out with it. This is kind of what I figured out works for me. But yeah, that was my curling iron tutorial. And let me know if you guys liked it, if you use it, and how it came out. And yeah, that's it. So thanks, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I am trying to work on more videos. It's just January felt like the worst slag, and December was way too busy with school and trips and stuff. So I want to try to get back into it this year. So forgive me for not making any videos. But this one was always requested, and I just hadn't gotten around to it. I actually made a video before, recorded all the parts to it, and then I never edited it, and my hair was this long at the time. And then I cut my hair again, and so it was kind of outdated. And so here we are, new video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't. I plan on making more videos. Give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, then turn the little notifications. I think there's a bell around here, and that's it. So thanks, guys, and have a great day.